Death in Paradise returned to screens with Neville Parker, played by Ralph Little, fighting to prove his innocence. However, his time was running out as all of the evidence pointed to him being guilty, until the very end of the episode. After Neville teased he may be leaving St. Marie, fans believe they know who will take his place. Warning: this story contains spoilers. The new episode saw Karen Flitcroft, J. Griffiths, from the Department of Policing Standards coming to St. Marie to find out more about Neville's arrest. There was no messing around for the detective as she jumped straight into looking at the evidence against Neville. She had very little sympathy for those who believed he was innocent, as she believed she had the facts in front of her. However, Selwyn Patterson, Don Warrington, stood his ground and continued to vouch for his colleague. Karen was proven wrong at the end of the series as the real murderer was revealed. Neville worked out it was his girlfriend Sophie Chambers, Chelsea Edge, who had been playing him all along. She was in fact the sister of Grace Wanslow, who had been charged for a crime in Manchester and had taken her own life in prison. Karen felt guilty that she had misjudged Neville and his team, and handed the case back over to Selwyn. She said she had planned to take some time out of work to clear her head, but viewers believe she could be sticking around. Taking to Twitter, they were convinced she would be Neville's replacement after the teaser for the finale said he planned to leave St. Marie. Neil said, "Neville going and being replaced by the visiting DI is my guess." #Death in Paradise. Liza Frank said, please can J. Griffiths be the next DI on the island?" The voice of treason added, leaving it open for J. Griffiths to return as the new DI in the next series. #Death in Paradise. Surviving 2022 shared, think she could possibly end up as the new DI. #Death in Paradise. Danielle commented, "Is Ralph Little leaving? Because if so, please tell me they're setting J. Griffiths up to stay." #Death in Paradise. Jacob Lumley shared, "Oh, and J. Griffiths is such a good actor. Really powerful presence on screen." Towards the end of the episode, she told Selwyn, "I have updated my boss and he is happy for your team to continue without us from here. I also told him that maybe I should take some time away from work, a rethink. This job I do, seeing bad people day in, day out, you stop noticing the good ones." She shook hands with Selwyn before getting into the car and Selwyn wished her good luck. Now that the commissioner has seen her skill and dedication, he may call her back during a time of need. If he needs to find a quick replacement, he may call upon someone with Karen's level of experience and expertise. The actress is also known for her roles in The Bill, Doctors, Casualty, and Holby City. Death in Paradise returns to BBC One on Friday at 9 p.m.